Hey guys, welcome to the second video of the series, You Can Solve a Rubik's Cube. In today's video, I'm going to show you your first step into solving the Rubik's Cube. In this step is called the white cross. So in the beginner's method, if you want to solve a white cross, you need to know how to solve a white daisy first. So let's get to it. So before we start, I just wanted to say you need to know the parts of a Rubik's Cube to understand this move better. And if you don't know what those parts are, don't forget to check the video down in the descriptions that I made. So anyways, let's start. First, as you can see, this is what the white cross looks like. So first I'm going to shuffle it up because I already have my white cross solved. Okay, so as you can see, I have my cube shuffled. So now what I want you guys to do is locate where the yellow centerpiece is, and this is going to be your first step into solving the white daisy. You can do this while inspection time. You don't have to do this when you started cubing. So I found where the yellow centerpiece is. And then I want you to find out where all the white edge pieces are. So as you can see, I have two over here, one over here, and one over here. So the white edge pieces are supposed to, so using your basic cubing knowledge, gather all the white edge pieces around the yellow centerpiece. If you know how to solve a side of the Rubik's Cube or one side of the Rubik's Cube, then this should be easy. But anyways, I'm gonna get all the edges around the white daisy. So in many tutorials, they say you need to have this, but honestly, you really don't. You don't need to have this piece over here. All that matters is there's a cross with a yellow centerpiece. So now what I want you to do is choose any edge piece out of all of these four. So I'm gonna choose this one. Make sure it's facing towards you, and what I want you to do is, as you know, or probably know, an edge piece has two stickers. We already know the first sticker is white. So yes, we know it's white. But what's the second sticker? Well, that's what we're gonna find out. In this case, it's orange. And now what you do is you rotate the top layer, or the layer which the orange edge piece is on, to where it matches with the orange centerpiece. In case you didn't see that, you first choose an edge piece, you find out what the second color is, and now since the second color is on the top layer, you twist the top layer to where the edge piece meets with its corresponding centerpiece. And then you turn that face 180 degrees. And then you move on to the next one. I prefer going clockwise or counterclockwise, but it doesn't matter. You can go like this from there to that and that. But it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna go clockwise. So we're gonna choose this one. And as you can see, I already have mine matched because of sometimes you can have all of yours matched, sometimes you can have two, sometimes you can have one. It depends on your luck, basically. But if you don't want luck and you want to solve the cross faster, don't forget to check my other video. But anyways, since it's already matched over here, as you can see, I turn it 180 degrees. And I choose one, in this case this. I check out the second color. I twist it to where they match up, and then I turn it 180 degrees. And this is for the last one. I turn, choose an edge piece, just check out the second color, twist the top layer to match it. And then I turn that face or side 180 degrees. Now what I want you to do is locate the white centerpiece. As you can see, we have my white centerpiece over here. The white centerpiece is most likely the centerpiece with your cube's brand on it. As you can see, it has my cube's brand on it, so it should probably have yours too. But anyways, this is something your white cross should look like. It should have a cross made out of white blocks. As you can see, we have a cross made out of white blocks. It doesn't need to match all the edge pieces, the corner pieces that mine has, because the corner pieces don't matter in this stage. So now that's the first checking point. Do you have a cross made out of white blocks? In this case, yes. Now the second point where you have to check is, the second color of each edge, does it match with its corresponding centerpiece? As you can see, for this one, yes. Then this one, yes. This one, yes. And last but not least, this one, yes. That's a completed white cross. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you guys in the next one.